ever heard that the women are the women's worst enemies? Let me tell you why this is so true. Yesterday I was telling you about how I come from a family wherein female abuse is so real, disrespect and all of that. My great-grandparent would hit his wife, like kick his wife. My grandfather, who just passed away, would be so abusive to my grandmother, like physically, verbally and all of that. And I'm so ashamed to admit that so is my father. He does not hit physically, but he does abuse and like put down, like call names and all of that. I have seen shit happening to women being beaten in my family, the village that I come from. It's so bad. It's so bad. And there are things that I cannot even speak about, But I was like, why are these men so tormenting towards women? They are so torturous and disrespectful. What is the root cause of this? So my research led me to understanding that these men deeply hate their mothers, because their mothers were not getting enough love from the husband or from the father. So the cycle is super toxic and it still continues. And so from a very young age, they started to, put their anger on their sisters, then, their wives, and then their mothers. I have seen my father abusing his mother, literally going all out, and so much more. And that is why women are the women's worst enemies, because they let the abuse happen. Sometimes they do not know what they are doing. Why are they? Because they never received love and respect, so their body does not know that. They have grown up seeing, their mothers being beaten and like disrespected by their father. So they're like, okay, this is the norm. So when a woman like me is born in this family, who is learning self-love, coming into my power, staying connected to God so that I do not forget myself like other women have in my lineage. So I have been on the receiving end of the worst behavior a women can have, like jealousy and torture, not giving food, and it is done by my own mother and my auntie. It's so shameful that I have to admit this, and I have to admit this while they are downstairs. When I opened up about my sexual abuse, the guy was supported, not me. And the guy was supported by the women, my auntie. And because my mother never did anything, she in fact said like, they're your family. So I learned helplessness. But things are changing now. Through all this toxicity, my creativity helped me. And I have created a course, Step into Your Creative Magic, that will transform your life. Link is in the bio. I am sharing all of this with you so that you don't feel shame if you come from a toxic family, plus to invite you into deeper levels of healing. Not to blame anybody, not to shame anybody.